you have to Google and do all sorts of weird things to find the data, analyze the data, and make sure that the data actually makes sense. So the answer for the ratio was 620. So that means that for every teacher, there are 620 students. Now, does that answer make sense? Why? Or rather, why do you think it doesn't make sense? Pardon? Like, say, okay, the student to teacher ratio was 620. So the question is, does that answer make sense?
Nothing.
One is
So does that answer make sense?
well, if I have to think about it, would that mean that for every teacher's class there are 600 students? So I don't think, I mean, that doesn't really make sense to me.
Doesn't it?
I think it makes sense.
You think it makes sense? Okay, why do you think so?
I guess there's a shortage of teachers because we have a teacher for every 620 students.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
I think it doesn't make sense because it says that there are only 2 teachers in the entire school, which is also not possible. If 1 is to 620.
Okay. He says it makes sense. Sorry, what's it?
Well, tell me what. Just Tom.
Tom. Yeah, Tom says it makes sense. You disagree. Sorry, what is the answer, Tom? You said it makes sense
Because for every teacher, it shows that there are 620 students for each teacher. If you compare the number of teachers and students.
Yeah. So she says no because she says it means that for every class there's 620 students in a class. Like, have you ever heard of a class being that big?
Not even
University. High school and primary schools. So, okay, so I think we're most in agreement that data doesn't make sense. So now, at that point, if you see 620, so now, what do you think is the next step as a data collector, data scientist? What do you think is the next step to try and verify that what's, to try and understand why you got such a big number?
We went to go look at different sources of information and did the calculation again over there.
Yes, right, yeah. Find another, so once essentially find another source, another one.
But we also, like, we used different, we started off with everyone being in Chrome first. Like
Chrome?
Yeah, we first went to go look for the information on search engines. But then once we had them, we stopped searching for new information. We work on these ones that we have here. Yeah, do you understand? So, like right now we have a PDF, we have a JSV file, we have a whole different kinds of information saying exactly the same thing.
Anything else? There's one way, it's very easy.
Normalization?
Man, that's advanced. It's very easy.
Data is incorrect.
Yeah. Okay. So then, how would you say check that it's in? Why is it incorrect? Validation. What do you mean by validation?
I think you would go back to the numbers again, because basically what you did there was just use the numbers and kind of like get the ratio. You just go and go through the numbers again and
Check
see
again, okay.
like
Anything else?
each class corresponds.
How about if you try cleaning the data and then try doing the analysis again to see if
Okay. That's kind of like verifying the data. But there's one I'm looking for, which is
How about going to the actual school to ask for data there?
that's on.
Yeah.
Just go to the school and see whether. Wait.
Yes.
Does it make sense? No. You go to that school, not to the whole school. You go to that school and see whether does the ratio actually make sense. That's another method you could use. You just go to the school and just check because actually what happens like because guys some data collection is manual. As in people go to this actual school and they count. Data is not just automatic. It doesn't just come out thin air and suddenly it's on a data set. No, people go and punch in numbers and stuff like that. So you have to also sometimes you have to go to the actual location and check whether does this actually make sense. So So just because you get a result doesn't mean it's right, doesn't mean it's wrong. Like you have to verify, make sure that, hey, does this make sense? So the ways to check that it makes sense, that go to the school, get other sources, and check whether do the other data sets match what you got. If not, then you see that, okay, there's something wrong there. You have to go back from scratch. So that was the main goal for this exercise, this challenge.